Have GE Dishwasher, gdt695smj0es, stopped working with no lights on door control panel. Replaced main circuit board and UI circuit board as well as door wire harness. Have solid green LED service light on main board but still have no lights on door control panel.light.
Are there any error codes or blinking lights on your GE dishwasher? How old is it?
No codes and no lights, appears dead except for solid LED light on main control board. Dishwasher is probably about 7 years.
How long has this been going on with your GE dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
Couple week replaced both boards and door wire harness.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I know of. Not much help am I? I thought replacing boards would fix. Guess not. Thanks.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark. I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. Sorry to hear you are having such a time with this issue. I am sure it is frustrating. Typically you were correct to replace those parts, but if you are still having issues with the panel not lighting up, I would test the wires from the module to the display. Test them for continuity to see if they are damaged or maybe a wire is cut or broken. Typically when you see the green light on the module, that means the module is good, and that the issue is with the display, so at least you now know the module is good. You can rest the module again just to see if you can get the CSM to reset. If that does not work, then you either have a faulty display you purchased or the wires to the display are damaged. Reset procedure coming. Here is the reset instructions for the CSM module. The module can trip due to a leak or faulty heat element. And I would also check below the unit for signs of a leak that would cause this to trip. The other cause, if you find that the wires are good from module to display, is that the display you purchased was faulty when you got it, or you might not have shut off the breaker to the dishwasher when you replaced the parts, and that can damage the display or module. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.